Brad Thomas here with TheStreet. I'm joined today with Keven Lindemann, Director of SNL Financial. Keven, good to see you today.
Thanks, Brad.
Keven, we've seen in the real estate space, or in the real estate investment trust sector specifically, we've seen a lot of volatility in terms of the threat of rising interest rates. Can you talk a little bit about the rising interest rate environment that we're seeing today and the impact that we would see or potentially see in terms of certain REITs out there today?
Sure. So a lot of concern in the REIT space about the potential for higher interest rates, broad acknowledgement that interest rates really only have one direction to go in, and that's up. So a lot of the volatility that you've seen in the space recently, I think, is driven by what people's expectations are out of the Fed. The REIT sector, the broad REIT index is up about 4% this year on a total return basis, compared with the S&P 500, which is up almost 20%. So certainly investors have gotten very, very skittish about the REIT market. The challenge for REITs is that real estate's a very capital-intensive business. As interest rates rise, it not only makes it more expensive for them to go about their business, alternative investments in the fixed income space also become relatively more attractive, and they start competing with REITs for capital. So they've certainly had a challenge, and you've seen that in the volatility in the REIT stocks.
And Keven, let's talk about valuations today. Are you considered the REITs today to be fairly valued or soundly valued based on the various valuation metrics today?
I would say that REITs are in the range of fairly valued. Across the entire sector, we look at net asset values, and they're trading at about a 7% discount to net asset value right now. That's certainly within the range of normal and fairly valued. At the high end, trading at a premium, you have the healthcare sector and the self-storage sector, both trading at about an 18% premium. Interestingly, at the other end of the sector, the other end of the spectrum, you've got the regional mall sector and the multifamily sector trading at about a 15% discount to net asset value. So investors may start looking there for interesting investment opportunities. But I would certainly say that REITs are within the range of fairly valued right now.
Keven, thanks so much for joining us and providing this intelligence, this research with SNL Financial. Look forward to seeing you next time.
Thanks, Brad.